Hey fam, I am Muhammad Iqbal. Let's be real. Life is wild. People are stressed, tired, burnout, and most of us fake being okay until we break. That's why we are building CalmBuddy, not a therapist, not a tool, but your ride or die BestieBot, the one who texts you alive when you ghost for 3 days, the one who says, "Let's write." You bring snacks, I'll bring sarcasm. You know, the one who gets you. Open your terminal in the directory where you want to create the app. Create a virtual environment using UV. It's faster than pip. With use command for virtual environment UV VENV. It's create your virtual environment and activate the virtual environment using this command. After that, activating the virtual environment, install Langflow with UV pip install Langflow command. This may take a few minutes as it install all required dependencies. While it install, let's talk about what we are building. To make CalmBuddy, we will use the following key component. One chat input where the user send their messages, two MCP server, one for memory and one for sequential thinking. One search engine. For this we will using Tavily for external search and agent the logic that manage the conversational flow and chat output. It's display the response to the user. Now that Langflow is installed, let's open the Langflow platform using the following command uv run langflow run. This will start a local server and give you a link. Just click on that link or copy that link into your browser. It will open Langflow. Since we are building this from scratch, there won't be any flow yet. That's totally normal. So create first flow and then blank flow. You will notice this is the latest version of Langflow with the updated UI. Now we can change our flow name is CalmBuddy. Now let's drag and drop our component we talked about earlier. That is chat input, chat output, 2 MCP server, Tavily search tool and agent. Now let's connect our component to agent. Chat input to input section and for Tavily you will also need an API for Tavily which is a search engine especially designed for LLM. So when you create a free account on tavily.com you get 1000 free calls per month. Just paste your API key and check it is working or not. Running component and Tavily search API will successfully. We are working as a tool, so just change it to tool section and connect to our agent. Now for MCP server, so, so go to our official MCP server sites. Here are different server, and we are working only for two MCP server, which is memory and sequential thinking. I'll show you how you activate this. So this is the reference server link. So when you click on, so first we are working on a memory server. Click on memory, and it will go to a GitHub page where you find the setup the instruction. So here we use this command, okay, npx-y and @model context protocol server memory. Just copy and write in your MCP command terminal. When you refresh it, it will show in tool section how many tools is available. Here you can see. So we are working as a tool. So it's activate the tool mode and connect to our agent. And same for our sequential thinking server. Now our input section connect into the agent. So we to make everything work, we will connect these tools to a language model. Okay, for this we are using a Google Generative AI model. For this, you can generate an API key through your Google account. It's free to get started. Here we check run. It's given error. Okay, we are now selecting any model. So now select a model and click on playground button. So we can check its work or not. One more thing, we are also need a prompt. I already wrote a prompt for this. I am also using emoji, so they help the model keep that fun and friendly vibe. Now check with the playground. Okay, I click on hi. So wait for response. Hey, oh, you alive just like our friend we are talking. Check few more tests. I am so done today. It's working, and now you see the response. Bro, want me to call HR? No, now I also check. I feel everything and nothing at the same time. Uh, that's the roast kind of brain fog. Let's check. It suggests some videos or not. Okay. So can you suggest some funny videos for better mood? So you can see here, you said YouTube therapy incoming. It's from our Tavily search engine. It's also provide a link. Let's check this link is working or not. Here you can see link is working. It shows the title 30 minutes of funniest animal. Okay, it's funny. Now check few more things. Can you suggest some actions enemy series like Demon Slayer? Let's see. Okay, now this time it's not giving any link, but it suggestion Attack on Titan. So I ask a link. It's still not giving a direct link because of it's under consider as a piracy. So it suggests it's give you a trailer link. Now give me a trailer link so I can this. And that's a wrap. You just build your own CalmBuddy what bestie. Want to make it even better? Added log tracking to store mood, responses, and timestamps in a database like ExtraDB. This helps the model learn emotional pattern and respond even more accurately over time. If you found this helpful or just love what we are building here, like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment to let me know what you would add to your version of CalmBuddy and share it with someone who needs a digital bestie. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next one.